last day on this rehab. We gotta put in 2 ACs today. Put them on the pads. Put the disconnects in. Connect the lines. And once we get that, that's pretty much it for that house. Got 2 systems in there. One upstairs, one in the downstairs basement. So yeah, it's gonna be a good day. Got our lines set ran. There we go. Now we just need to braze it in, connect the low voltage. Now we just got this line coming from the upstairs. So we gotta connect it in. Alrighty, so we got these lines ran. One going in this unit. Then we got one going upstairs to the attic unit. Now we just gotta go outside, braze everything in. Got both lines brazed in. Got that one brazed in too. Got our low voltage coming from the AC. Got this upstairs unit tied in the line set, tied everything in. There's the final result. 2 ACs done today.